Today we're going to take a look at managing your RFQs and going over some RFQ tips and tricks. To get to our RFQs, we're going to go to the sourcing menu and then to in progress. From here, we could see a list of all of our RFQs currently in process. We could see the name, which we can filter, the team members associated with it, our supplier shortlists, and whether or not they're on track. Let's go into one of our RFQs. From here, we could see the quote due date, which we can edit if need be. It's currently set to private, and right now it is on track. If we need to add any details or notes to our RFQ for our suppliers, we can click on the pencil icon to add any important notes that might be relevant to this RFQ. In the middle, we could see all of the suppliers we have sent our RFQ to. We can click into each one if we need to learn more about them or if we need to change their supplier status. We can also view their quote status from here if they haven't sent a quote yet. We can mark it as no quote or intend to quote. When a supplier sends us their quote, we'll be able to see the lead time and the amount, and this little icon here will light up when there is a quote available for us to view. Down here, we can see the items list that we have included with our RFQ. We can continue to add additional items if need be, and then that will send the suppliers a note as well. So if we click here, we can go into our library, say we need to add some washers. Here's the note that we'll send to the suppliers, and we acknowledge that these changes might affect the RFQ. If there was a file associated with this item, we could click these three dots right here and be able to view those files. If we needed to attach additional files that don't go under the items list, we could go up to our files and upload a file from there. Down at the bottom, we have a messages section. You can send messages just to your team. These will be completely internal. These will not be available to the suppliers. If you wanted to message the suppliers, you can go to each individual supplier's chat box and send them a message, or you can send them a file. Once we're done with our RFQ, we can click on Award RFQ and choose one of the following options. If no one has quoted and we just want to cancel this RFQ, we can also cancel. We can also see any messages sent back and forth between our suppliers from the home page. You'll be able to see your RFQ and then all the suppliers you have sent that RFQ to. You can also send the messages directly from here, and they'll show up both on your home page and within the RFQ.